going on, guys? So back in the city, I wanted to shoot a quick intro. This is the first vlog of the channel, so showing y'all some of the Thailand trip. Did some shopping, some food, and just like nice views and all that. Gonna be taking another trip soon, so if y'all enjoyed this one, I'll definitely record a vlog for that trip too. Almost done editing, just have to add a few more clips in, and I actually had a lot of fun making this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Leave a like if you enjoy it, subscribe, and hope y'all enjoy the video. Got a few more things to pack up. On this side, we got all the clothes, some button-ups, some casual fits underneath, cut-off sleeve tees, shorts. Got this mesh type shirt. Gonna be pretty hot there, so I think this is gonna come in handy. This Ed Hardy shirt too. I didn't get a chance to wear it over the summer, so just cut the sleeves, cut the bottom. So more of like a sleeveless t-shirt, sleeveless tank type shirt. Also got this red jersey. This was thrifted from earlier this year. Never actually wore it. Gonna try to rock this out there too. That side is empty because I'm gonna put the shoes in there. So that's the main suitcase. Then we got the carry-on. 1 or 2 fits in this one just to save some space. Really want to leave some space for thrifting too. So gonna keep you guys posted on the thrifting. This side we have maybe 1 or 2 fits so far. Toga Verillas loafers on the top. Acne jeans. Just bringing 1 pair of jeans because it's gonna be hot. And 2 vests from California Arts. Belts on this side. So we got classic double RL in brown. Basically my go-to belt. Yudes and baklava belt. This one is also a go-to. Still my favorite belt. And then my newest one I didn't even show you guys yet. This is the Pumpkin Yo belt. Pretty studded all throughout. Got some details. Got the logo on it. Pretty cool belt. I'm gonna try to rock that out there. Then the Y Project in case I want to wear something a little more dressy. Then we got some sneakers on this side. Still trying to decide what shoes I want to bring. The Puma Speed Cats in the black suede colorway. Then the Onitsuka Tigers. Really want to bring these because a lot of the fits that I have packed away are more neutral colors. So I think the yellow is going to make the fit stand out a little more. Got some accessories. So 2 watches. Honestly, my only 2 watches, but these are from Orient. The gold one has a nice red tint on the face. Silver one has like a black gold type face on it. And here we got some more accessories. So a Margiela ring. Then we got another Margiela ring in silver. Rings from Vitaly. And this one from Peter Doe. Then in here I got a few earrings. Then we got the white 3XLs. These are my go-to sneakers. Brought these to Vietnam too and I wore them a lot. I think it's gonna be good for everyday walking. Then for the travel bag, just got the super busy. Gonna put like tech, notebook, computer, and try to edit on the plane. So hopefully I can edit this video in time and not have you guys wait too long. So that's the status right now. Flight is at midnight, so I'm gonna try to get all this done before then. Gotta leave the house about 8:30. Also waiting on the package to come in. Hopefully it gets here in time because I want to wear them on the trip. So I'll let y'all know when I get to the airport. I feel like these are a calm shoe that I could probably wear every day. I did try these on before and I felt like they were too big. So I got a different size. These are the Sunday Mules. These are based on those Birkenstock Bostons. I decided to get the brown color. Really nice dark brown color. So on the front, you can see we have that toe pattern, which makes it stand out a little bit more than your typical Birkenstock Boston. See the toe pattern a little better from the bottom. And then here it is from the front. Let's try them on, see if they fit so I could bring them on the trip with me. This is how it looks next to the Yeezy Slide. Yeezy Slide is in a 10. These are in 42, which is US 9. With socks, they do fit, but on the back, there's like a slight space back here, which I don't think is a bad thing because when I walk, the back of my foot is not going to touch like the back of the heel. With a smaller size, that's what I felt was a problem. But yeah, definitely gonna bring these with me. Probably wear these to the airport. Gonna see how I can style these. That's a Balenciaga Sunday Mule in the brown colorway. Finish up packing in a little bit. So 7:45, finished packing, finished cleaning, about to head out. So just want to show you how to fit real quick. So we got the Martin Rose cap, full needles tracksuit, so needles track jacket, and this black and brownish, purplish type color. Then the matching HD track pants in black. Then on feet, still trying to decide between these 2. Sunday Mules on the right, 3XLs on the left. I think I'm gonna go with the 3XLs because the pants kind of drag under the Mule, which is not the greatest, especially when traveling. These 3XLs got the huge sole on the back, so it's not gonna drag too much on the floor. So might go with those, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the fit. Check in with y'all when I land. Finally got in the hotel. Flight actually got delayed, so we got here an hour later than we were supposed to. We had a connecting flight. As soon as we land in Turkey, we had to immediately hop on the other plane, get to Bangkok, waiting on our luggage to come around. No luggage. I'm actually here with one of my friends. Both of our luggage is not here, so who knows where that luggage is. But right now, all I have is a carry-on that I showed you guys. 10 XLs, couple belts, couple sunglasses, pair of needles track pants, loafers, 2 vests, and then the Acne jeans. So I don't even have like a good change of fit. Plan is go get something to eat, get some water, try to hit up the mall, maybe buy a couple things that we can change into until the luggage actually gets here. They said they're gonna send it by today, so hopefully it does come in time. Really wanted to thrift today, but I don't think we're gonna be able to thrift today. Probably thrift tomorrow, and I'll share that with y'all tomorrow. So that's status update. On the bright side, the room is actually pretty nice. Nice little lighting setup, little couch. The view isn't too crazy. It's basically just a building, but it's still good. Nice little view outside. Nice ceiling to floor window. Large TV and nice little bathroom. Big mirror, lighting all throughout it. Can't even complain about the hotel. It's actually pretty nice. So update on these. I actually did end up wearing the 3XLs to the airport, but when I got through TSA, I just swapped them out to the Sunday Mules. Happy that I was able to get them in time. Easy to slip in, slip out, especially when I'm on a plane. That's how they look on foot. So this was the fit, if I didn't share with you guys already. Martine Rose cap, Needles tracksuit, Needles track jacket, and then the HD pants in a black colorway, brown stripe pattern all throughout it. And depending on the light, sometimes it looks purple, sometimes it looks brown. And I think the fit came together pretty nicely, pretty cozy fit. I'm gonna try to record some fits in here and show y'all what I wear on the trip. This is what I'm gonna be rocking for the day. It's actually 80 degrees, 85 degrees right now, so I'm gonna be sweating. I do have a black shirt underneath. Probably just take this off and rock it until I'm able to get something from the mall or my suitcase comes in. That's a quick little status update for you guys. Hopefully we're able to go thrifting tomorrow, and I'll keep y'all posted on that. That's pretty much it, and I'll see y'all in the low. Put it on. She said. So fit for today, just gonna go try to thrift shop, try to find a tattoo place. So I made jersey, regular jorts, just some Levi's that I cut, pumpkin heel belt, and then the Balenciaga Sunday Mules. It's kind of a repeat from the one that I have on my IG. Calm fit for the day, and I'll check in with y'all a little bit.
Let's go. Better than nothing, right?
Get it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Right over by the.
Feel it on it.
Always.
Nice, sir. I'm gonna make a 2-button.
So did some thrifting today. Spent like 2-3 hours in the mall, so it's about a 30-minute drive from where we're staying. Let me just show y'all what I picked up really quick. I'll probably do a more in-depth video when I'm back in the States. So this is a nice vintage belt. I really like the buckle on it. That's why I picked it up. It was super cheap to buy things out here. I actually didn't even try this on, so I don't know if it's gonna fit. So this is the belt. Nice big buckle, pretty good quality. The buckle's detachable, so I'll probably get a different belt for it. So pick up number one. Number two, this one I was really excited about. I almost passed on it. It was like in a shelf container hidden all the way in the back, but it's just this really cool vintage watch. It's actually a diesel watch, so it has a nice square face on it. It also has this, like the face is actually tinted blue. A nice cool piece. I don't really have any watches or anything like that, so nice little accessory that I could add to my collection. I really like the shape on it. Nice square shape to it, very unique. $10-15, so I had to pick it up. Next, we got this t-shirt, a vintage tee. It has like really vintage look to it. Gray neckline, gray lining on the sleeves. NASCAR racing shirt, looks super vintage. I almost didn't pick it up because it has some holes, but I really don't think it's a big deal. This is number 3. Number 4. So there's like this market. I don't remember the name of it, but I will flash it on screen. I saw these really cool shorts, Bermuda type shorts. So they're a little longer down here. I didn't try it on, so I don't know if it's gonna fit, but in terms of length, it's almost as long as some of my jorts. So this I could dress up with fits. Like the cut on it looks like it has more of that loose, baggy type fit, which I really like on shorts. So that's number 4. Next one, had to pick up one of these cameras. So this is like those vintage digital cameras. They're kind of trendy right now. Everybody has like one of these. Has like that 2000 style quality on it. Hopefully I filmed some of the trip on it. I'll try to add it to this video. I have been looking for one of these. When I was in the States, I went to a few flea markets and they were selling it for like $200, $300. Got this for $80. So good steal. Came with the charger, came with the memory card and all that. So really wanted to get one of these out here. Then last but not least, got this nice Yamaha. It's like a biker jacket. I don't know what the material is. So it's not leather. It's gonna be a little more breathable. I'm assuming this is for when you want to wear it in the summer, you know, not too hot on you. But basically pretty similar to my other biker jackets, except this has a different material. We have some suede in the front. I think this is suede in the front. Yamaha on the chest, on the left side. Yamaha logo on both sleeves. And then on the back, just a stripe design on the back. I do think this is women's, but it's in a size large, so it does fit me, but it has more of that snug fit, which I think looks good with these type of jackets. It was about 110, so maybe a little bit more than you would pay in the States, but I was already there and just decided to get it anyway. So those are the pickups for now. I think that area is where all the thrift stores were. There are a few malls in the area, so we're gonna try to hit one of those malls before we go. But yeah, that's it. We're about to go to the pool and then we're gonna hit a sky bar. I might show y'all the sky bar too. I'm about to get ready. I'll check in with y'all in a little bit. Plan today, go to a temple. It's about a 30-minute drive out. Want to show you how to fit for today. We got the shirt from COS. It is women's, but it has like more of that boxy fit. It has one seam that runs down the side, so that helps out with the silhouette a little bit. Then we got the Y3 shorts. And then on feet, we got the Toga Virilis loafers in black. We also have silver and gold jewelry, silver orange watch with the gold on the inside. And I think that ties everything nicely. Margiela ring, Vitali ring, the other Margiela ring, and then the Vitali ring with the gold chains, and then finished it off with the Atlanta Braves cap. This is low-key a fit that I've been seeing on a lot of people. I just wanted to recreate it. Definitely got a lot of inspiration for this fit. Kind of a mix of dressy and casual with the fitted and then the shorts. The shorts are also playing into that double theme. Pretty much a fit for today. So I'll check in with y'all in a little bit. Show y'all the fit for tonight. So we're going to the Chinatown night market. So they have a lot of like food out there. There's also some super cool lighting, especially in the nighttime. I think I could get a lot of good pics and record some videos out there too. So just showing y'all the fit real quick. We got the Harley Davidson tee with the graphic on the front, Harley Davidson logo, flame graphic around it, another graphic on the back, and then I just cut the bottom so it's a little more cropped and boxy. Then we got the Needles HG track pants in the black colorway. Just a nice baggy pair of track pants. Got that stripe on the side, Needles logo, nice wide baggy cut. Then on the feet, we're gonna go to 3XLs in the white colorway. It has that whitish, goldish type look. Kind of stands out with the all black fit. So just contrasts with the rest of the fit a little bit. Instead of making it like super uniform, just a little contrast to the rest of the fit. Nice black and white fit for tonight. Accessories, we going with the Orient watch and the silver. So just the same accessories as this morning. Then we got silver Margiela, silver Vitali ring. Other hand, we got the gold Margiela, gold Vitali ring, and then the 3 chains that I always wear. So just a chill fit for tonight. Hopefully I get some good pictures and videos out there. So about to leave the room. I'll check with y'all in a little. Quick fit check, running a little late, but got an Ed Hardy sleeveless tee. Just cut off the sleeves, cut off the bottom so it's a little more cropped. Then I got the Acne Studios denim. Then on foot, the Sunday Mules. Finish it off with some jewelry. So we're going with all gold today. Gold chains. Then Balenciaga sunglasses. So we're gonna hit a mall today and then maybe hit the Sky Bar after. So I'll check in with y'all later. Crazy though.
Yeah, different shorts, right? Oh, mini square.
Checking out of the Bangkok hotel today. About to go to Phuket, spend about 3 or 4 days there, and then come back to Bangkok to go home. Went to one of the malls yesterday. Cool design mall. Like a lot of cool stuff in there. So the malls are pretty big in terms of like places to visit. So wanted to see at least one while I was out here. Did a little bit of shopping. I didn't go too crazy. Bought some socks and basics from Uniqlo. Like there's a white shirt that I bought, white button-up shirt, pretty nice. Also stopped in COS just to take a look, see what they had, and ended up getting 2 pairs of jeans. Before I put them away, just want to show you guys real quick what they look like. So 2 pairs of jeans. This one's a nice wide cut jean. You know, it's a little bit more fitting on the top, and then the legs flare out at the bottom. The side seam extends all the way down the front of the jean, so that gives it more of that flare type look. And if you look at it from the side, there's also like some paneling that makes it extend out a little bit, so helps with that like bell bottom type look. So I picked these up because they remind me of the Needles HD track pants. I was a little bit hesitant about the color because I have like a lot of light wash denim already. This one's like a nice light blue. There's like a slight tint of green in it, a little different than what I already have, so just decided to pick them up anyway. I'll probably show y'all more about this in like the pickups video. So that's jean number 1. Second one is this nice raw denim type jean. So the material itself is pretty stiff, goes for that raw denim look. I didn't have any dark wash jeans in my wardrobe, so I just wanted to pick these up. So overall, pretty nice classic looking jean. So it comes in this dark navy color and has some contrast stitching all throughout it that comes in brown. These have more of a straight to loose type fit. It's not super baggy, which I think is a good thing on these jeans, but the cut is still loose enough where I feel like I would actually wear it. Just a quick check-in, show y'all these 2 pairs of jeans. About to go to the airport right now to Phuket. I don't think I'm gonna film as much content out there because it's more like beach type vibes, but if I end up picking up anything out there, I'll definitely share with you guys. I might actually look for a thrift store, see if there's anything cool out there. So super tired right now, but gotta get to the flight. So I'll check in with y'all a little bit.